Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to find and analyze the daily volume on Tradingview. Knowing where the volume comes from helps us confirm breakouts, spot strong moves, and avoid false signals. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once we're on the page, let's log into our account. After logging in, let's go to the chart. We can find the charts in Products. Under Products, we will see Supercharts. Once we see Supercharts, click Supercharts. After we are redirected to the chart, we will see the graphs showing the gains and losses of the market. Now, to see the volume, we need to add it as an indicator. To add this indicator, go to the upper left corner of the page. We will see the indicators. Click Indicators and an indicator panel will pop up. In the search bar, type volume. There are many volume options, but we need to choose this volume because it is what most people use. Click this volume to add it as an indicator. Close this panel. Now, we can see green and red vertical lines. These are our volume indicators. Volume indicators in TradingView are a key independent data point that confirm price action strength, measure liquidity, and show market sentiment. They help us understand the conviction behind price moves. High volume shows strong trends or big reversals, while low volume often means a false breakout. The purpose of this volume indicator is to confirm trend strength. Rising prices with increasing volume show a strong uptrend, while rising prices with decreasing volume show a weak trend. Volume can also help us spot market conviction during reversals. A high volume spike means strong market participation and possible institutional interest, helping us tell the difference between real moves and noise. When prices reach new highs or lows and volume is low, it can warn us of a possible reversal. To see the daily volume, right-click on any part of the volume trace. Now, right-click and go to Settings. This is how we get the daily volume. We can adjust the MA length. Most people use 24 or 25 for the volume moving average. We can also change the styles here, such as the volume, growing, falling, and volume MA, depending on what we prefer. We can check the visibility here. Here, we can also edit the seconds, minutes, and ranges. Now, back to the inputs. After putting in all the details, click OK. And that's how we check the daily volume on TradingView. Once we start paying attention to volume, price action makes a lot more sense.